badge number.
What's your name and badge number, huh?
Turn around.
Huh? Man, I wish you'd take off that goddamn belt, boy.
Keep running. Another charge.
Have your badge.
Okay.
That's on everything, man.
交通事故があったってことで警官が駆けつけたんだが、みんなはどっちが悪いと思う？
Was it these two cars? Yeah. I don't know if he's getting transported, but he's kind of. I mean, she's a little fired up, but he was out walking around. I guess he was saying that he's in the straight lane, the right-hand lane.
Yeah.
They were quarter panel coming into the merge, and so slowing down and going behind him. They tried speeding up, impacted his bumper.
Yeah.
And then when they were in front of him, they were ticked off, and then they brake checked him, and then that's where he got the other impact.
One of those.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's my registration and my insurance is right here.
Okay, where's the damage to your vehicle?
So he sideswiped the sidewalk, and we got rear-ended by a semi, and we're already in the works of that.
Okay.
And then he smashed into it again, which damaged this, put the freaking nasty-ass cut in our bumper and our fucking
You know where the lanes
hatch.
merge over there?
Yeah. Hold on.
Kind of scary.
So, the first point of impact was where?
Right here.
Right here, on the side.
Oh. So where did he hit you at first? Back
Right
here?
there.
Yeah,
Yep.
first he sideswiped us.
Okay, so when he sideswipes you, you guys are continuing in motion forward, both of y'all?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
we went to go slow down because we're like, well, we need his insurance. He just fucking hit us.
Right.
And then so we go to slow down, and then boom.
Yeah, you hit us.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I do not.
Do you have any information that I can get so I can put you on the report? Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you should go to jail for reckless driving.
Oh, they were in the merge lane?
So, you know, right there, when you come into the other side, you
Yeah.
begin to merge.
Yeah.
So, they're merging, and instead of him slowing down, because he's got the point of
They're right
impact
here
in the
talking to
front.
each other.
Yeah, he didn't have to. So if you're ahead of me and I'm in the straight through lane, this is my lane. Anyway. You have to slow down and go behind me. There's no law that says I have to slow down and let you over. He has the right to keep going.
Okay.
So if they merged over and there was a connection,
They're going to be, okay.
Yeah.
So you're in the merge lane? You were in the merge lane?
Yeah, we were getting in between these two vehicles, including him, and he decided it was a good idea to speed the fuck up, and then he totally sideswiped us.
Okay.
Yeah, so even with them jumping in front of them, jumping in front of him, hitting the brakes, that's unlawful use of brakes. You can't jump in front of someone because he has to have enough time to know that you're merging over. Basically, this damage even solidifies that they're at fault. You jumped in front of him, jammed your brakes, he hit you because he didn't have enough time. That means they probably sped up, cut him off, which is why she has that first impact by the rear wheel.
Okay.
That just says that you merged over and you connected, which means you didn't have the room to come over.
Okay.
Even though the lane merges, the right lane still belongs to him.
Okay.
He has the right of way. The only time you don't have a right of way is when there's a sign that dictates you must do something.
Right.
If you're in a straight lane, there's nothing that says you have to slow down or let people over. Even when you put on a blinker is a request. It's not a mandate. So just because you put in late, I mean, I'll have to let you over.
Gotcha.
You
Okay.
have to move over when I allow you over. And if I'm not allowing you to jump in front of me, that means you slow your ass down and get behind me.
Gotcha.
Which is what most people should do. Everybody wants to jump ahead of everybody.
Right.
So that's why you get accidents like this. So.
要は煽り運転だな。海外にもこういった心が貧しいやつっているんだな。外見で人を決めつけちゃいけないが、見た目が9割って話も本当だな。
Can you just tell me what happened?
He decides, I guess, that he doesn't want to merge behind me.
Yeah.
So he just guns it. He just he's parallel with me, and he just bumps me in the side, right? And then so I kind of slow down a little, and he guns it and jumps in front of me.
Okay.
And it slams on his brakes, and then I rear end him.
Okay.
He immediately jumps out of the car and starts coming at me. He's slammed his hand he's like.
So the male half was driving, not the female?
I'm not sure who. Yeah, he was driving.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Well, actually, no. I'm not sure who was driving.
Quick question. So after you guys had the initial impact, what happened with the whole slamming on the brakes thing?
Well, we had to slow down so that way we could get his insurance information. We didn't slam on the brakes. We were slowly.
Did he impact you?
Oh
Like,
yeah.
okay.
Well, he fucking like I almost hit the steering wheel, and he almost flew into the dash. That's
I
why
mean,
we're
so like,
mad.
how soon did you get in front of him? Did you guys start slowing down?
So we didn't go in front of him. We were trying to merge over.
Yeah.
And then he decided to step on the gas.
Okay.
Like I literally saw his rear end go up.
Okay.
And he went to go and try and pass us and squish us over and sideswiped us. Yeah.
Okay. And you were driving, not this gentleman?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Midnight.
All right, hang tight. Yeah, they're definitely gonna be at fault.
Okay.
I'll just stand by because they're feeding bullshit right now.
I'm gonna give you that portion, and I'll take care of him, and then we'll move from there.
Okay.
Because they look like they're just gonna act out.
Yeah, I was.
You're fine. Don't worry about it.
Hey, boss, if you just want to sit in the car, you can turn the car on, just shut your door and just hang tight. It'll be a minute.
She's got progressive.
Oh, I thought you said she's aggressive. I'm gonna say yes, she is.
I was wanting to take a picture of, their car, and
Sure.
I'm just afraid that guy's gonna.
He's right here.
Her. Okay.
See where he's at. Yes.
Can I get a picture of his insurance?
You're gonna get all that information as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
As soon as I'm done. So let me go ahead and print these out.
この後警官から過失を言い渡されたカップルは超反抗的な態度に出る。この態度がきっかけで御用になってしまうんだが、そのバカな様子を見ていこう。
Alright, Miss Reyes. Okay. Reyes, I'm sorry. So, unfortunately, you are going to be found at fault for the crash. Alright. I know you're from, give me Georgia. Generally, laws are the same everywhere. That's why you can go from here to Florida. Speed limit signs look the same. Field or yield signs look the same. Stop signs, all that such. So, in the state of Florida, if you're in a merge lane, someone's in the straight-through lane, they have the right-of-way. Which means it doesn't matter that he sped up. You slow down and you get behind them. The fact that you sped up and crossed over.
We didn't speed up to cross over. We were staying the same speed.
He's gonna get
You don't do that because I will arrest you.
Oh,
Next
yeah,
word out of your mouth, better just be quiet.
I have freedom of speech.
No, that's a threat.
No, it's
That
not.
is a threat. I tell you what. Tell you what. Hold this. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Nope.
You resist, you will get tased. I'm telling you that right now. Put your hands
I
behind.
haven't done nothing wrong.
2-5. Send me another unit.
Mama,
Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get
You're
tased.
skinny, bro. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Don't
Put
pull
your hands
taser.
behind your back or you're going to get tased. I'm not going to give you another warning. Stop resisting.
Stop, man. When you
Stop
get the fuck
resisting
do you
or you're
not
going to
know
get
who the
tased.
fuck we work for?
I don't care.
No, dude, I will have your job.
What's your name and badge number?
What's your name and badge number, huh?
Turn around.
Huh?
What's your name and
Huh?
badge
Turn around.
Come
number?
on, please do it, man.
Okay.
Please, man.
What's
I wish
your
you'd
name
take
and
off
badge
that
number?
badge, man.
Okay, stop moving.
I think I wish you would take off that
Okay.
badge, man.
And do
What
what?
is your name
Are you
and
threatening
badge
me?
No, I think I wish
Okay.
you would.
Okay.
I wish you would take off that badge.
Shut up.
I wish you would.
What's your name and badge number?
It's on the table.
Oh, really?
Right now,
Really? That's
don't
a
wait, no
3-week
detain.
suspension. Scary enough.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah. Ma'am, what's your name and badge number?
Lucas 2031.
I didn't even threat him.
You just told me
No,
you beat
no,
his
I
ass.
didn't. I hope you have that on recording.
Oh, I do.
Oh, I hope you do.
Okay.
Man, I wish you'd take off that goddamn belt, boy.
Keep threatening me. Another charge.
No, I didn't threat.
It's a
I didn't
freedom of
threat.
speech, sir.
It is not freedom of
Yes,
speech.
it
Yes,
is.
it is.
Go over there.
It is a
Go
First
over there.
Amendment right.
Go over there now. Go
What?
Oh, watch.
Give me-
I'll
am
have
I
his
being
name and
detained?
badge.
Go in my
Yeah,
car.
I'll have his badge.
Yes, you are.
Oh,
Go in my
yeah, for
car.
what? Touch me one more time, and I'm gonna have your whole
You're
department.
so
Have a seat.
overwhelmed, my guy. You're so overwhelmed.
Have a seat.
That's it. That's it, Mama. We're calling the fucking lawyer.
Here you go.
I know. That's why I'm going back to the car, but I need my cigarette.
You're going to jail.
No,
You are being
I
placed
have-
under arrest.
I have money.
Turn around, but then I don't.
You better let them go.
So the driver or the passenger that's in my car starts threatening the passenger over here or the driver of this car.
Yeah.
So I say, hey man, you can't make a threat right in front of me. All right, so now you're gonna go to jail for threatening him. Go to put him in handcuffs. He resists, then starts threatening me, telling me he'll beat my ass if the badge comes off. Okay, so now you're both gonna go. Detaining him, putting him in the car. She reaches in, tries to get a cigarette, tell her to get back. She reaches in twice. Now she's going for resistance. Let me get a female unit, and then we'll do that.
Let my children go.
I know who's on the phone, but I'm hanging up.
And I'll do that tow real quick for you.
Okay.
That's going to be vehicle 1.
She's got a dog in the car. We'll give it to the pound.
Okay.
All right. Your dog's going to the Seminole County Pound. All right. Your car is going to be towed, and you are going to jail for resisting. You have any questions? Okay. Have a day. No, not when you threaten me.
Dude, I didn't even threaten you, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna have your badge.
Okay.
That's on everything, man.
男は脅迫、警察官への暴行、公務執行妨害の罪で起訴され、女は暴力を伴わない抵抗の罪で起訴された。今回のケースはいわゆる煽り運転だが、そんなやつの免許なんか剥奪しとけ。そう思うんだが、みんなはどう思った？コメントで教えてくれよな。